Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a graphics library that fits your goals. SFML and SDL2 are great for 2D, OpenGL for low-level control. Once chosen, install it with your package manager or download binaries, and add include and library paths to your IDE or build system. Create a new C++ project and set compiler and linker flags now. Make sure to include the library headers at the top of your main file, so compilation errors appear early and are easier to fix. You initialize the window or context immediately and verify the return codes so you catch setup problems early. Once the window exists, implement the main loop, poll events, update state, then render. In render, clear the back buffer, draw sprites, shapes, or immediate OpenGL calls, then swap buffers or display the frame. Enabling VSync stabilizes animation. Make sure to manage resources. Load textures once, reuse them, and free them at shutdown to avoid leaks and stuttering during runtime. You finalize by ensuring robust resource management. Load textures, fonts, and shaders with explicit error checks and cache them so you do not reload per frame. Once your rendering works, add graceful shutdown that destroys textures, frees GPU buffers, and closes the window to prevent dangling resources. Test on multiple resolutions and toggle full screen to verify layout. If something goes wrong, enable verbose debug logs and check return codes. Often a missing shader, wrong path, or mismatched pixel format causes silent failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.